That is perfect scone made. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make fruit scones. Now you don't have to put the fruit in, you can have plain scones, but this is a simple, easy recipe to make. We're going to use the air fryer. Now it is dead easy, dead simple. Now you can make these and bake these in the oven, but like I say, I'm going to bake these in the air fryer. Right, this starts with some buttermilk. When I don't have buttermilk, we have to make buttermilk. Okay, buttermilk is simple to make. It's 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So let's make that and then let's make the scones. Come on. So all we're going to do, guys, we're going to tip some milk in to 1 cup. We want 1 cup of milk in there. To that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Give it a little stir. Now that's our buttermilk made. So all we have to do is put it on the side for 10 minutes and the vinegar out with the milk, buttermilk. Okay guys, in here we have our self-raising flour, and what we're going to do, we're going to add our butter. I've already cubed it, so let's get our butter in there, and then we're just going to mix it up into fine breadcrumbs. It's melting on here, look. So all we're going to do is incorporate that in there nice and gently until all that butter's in there and it resembles breadcrumbs. Now you could do this in a food processor if you wanted, just whiz it up, but you know, for 5 minutes work, it's so simple. Nice and gently. Just work it in there nice and steady. Light hands, lift up, give it a little rub. Now guys, I make my own self-raising flour, and I do realize in a lot of places around the world you can't get it. So what I'll do, I'll put a link up here how to make self-raising flour. I already have on the channel. It's so simple to make, you know, and really expensive to buy. So that's our breadcrumbs in there, look guys. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? That's nice and light, that mixture. That is lovely. Okay, there's our breadcrumb mixture. To that we want to add our buttermilk. Now I haven't let it stand for 10 minutes and I don't intend to. It's going to be buttermilk anyway. So we're going to chuck all that in there. And we're going to give it a mix up. Just mix it up nice and steady. But you know, I nearly forgot, I want to add some sugar. I want to go in there with about a tablespoon of normal granulated sugar. See, even I nearly forget. So let's get all that mixed in there. Now I'm using a spoon, but you can use anything you want to mix it up. Get your hands in there. Up to you guys. Okay, like I said, we're making fruit scones, so I've got some dried fruit here, some raisins which I've actually soaked in boiling water to plump them up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to chuck a few of those in there, and then we're all going to give it a mix up so it's all in there. Now if you think that that is too wet, which it is a little bit, we want to add just a little bit of flour. just normal flour or self-raising, whatever you've got. Just put a little bit in, to make up that dough. So give that a stir in, and there you go, we have a nice dough formed there already. That's so simple. So there's our dough, guys. That's nice and easy. Now I'm not going to add any more fruit. I think there's enough in there actually, so I'll just put that fruit to one side. Okay, all we need to do is put a little bit of flour on our work surface. Not much. Don't get it all over, and just put our dough on there. Get it all out of there. There's no point wasting it, guys. And then we're just going to bring it together with that little bit of flour on there. Now what you can do is put that in the fridge, let it sit up a little bit, give it a little bit of rolling when you take it out and it's ready to go. I ain't going to bother, we're going to do it now. Now if you've got a cutter, use a cutter. If you don't have a cutter, use a glass. Dip your glass in your flour, just to flour it up the top like that, and it just makes it easier, it doesn't stick. And then all we're going to do is cut out some of our scones. So nice and steady. And then all we're going to do is take that out of there nice and gently. So that's our scones. And then with this, do not squash it together. Nice and gently. And if you need a little bit more flour on there, put a little bit on. Shape it up again. Now if you squash it, the scones won't rise. So again guys, just cut out your scones. Nice and straightforward, and we're going to use up all the dough. So that's our scones on there, guys. And now all we're going to do is we're going to bob it in the air fryer. Now my air fryer's got one of these grill things on the bottom, you know, and they're quite large. Now it works okay, but the dough sometimes comes through the bottom of there and it leaves like ridges underneath, but that doesn't matter, it's still a scone. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to put our scones in there. So we got the scones in there, and then what we're going to do, we're going to take some egg wash, a little bit of egg wash, and put it over the top of those scones. Now you don't have to egg wash, guys, it will actually cook fine, but you know, the egg wash puts that lovely golden top on that we're all used to seeing. And then just whack it in the air fryer, guys. It's as easy as that. In the air fryer, turn on the temperature 180 degrees for 8 minutes, and that's it. So 180 degrees thereabouts. Whack it up and let it cook for about 8 minutes, and then that's it. Simple recipe for really good results. And then either you put jam in, or butter, cream and jam, anything you want. So easy. So we're on the countdown. As soon as they come out, we put the others in. Oh, there's the ping. Let's have a look. Oh, come on. Come on, look at those. Look at those, guys. Now that is how to make a fruit scone. Right, we need to swap them over. We need to get them out of there. Put them on a bit of a rack to cool while we do the others. Oh, there's the ping. Oh, Oh, look at those. Just look at that, guys. That is the perfect scone. Right, all we got to do is let it cool down and we can put some butter on and give it a go. Oh, there we go. Look at those beauties. That is how to make quick, simple scones at home. Now, I like using the air fryer for things like this because you don't have to eat up the whole oven. So all we need to do now is crack one open, butter it up, put some jam on and give it a nosh. So let's have a look in there. That is really lightweight. Look in there, guys. That is perfect scone made. Oh, a bit of butter on there, bit of jam. Oh, give that a, oh, look at that. Oh wow, warm scones, butter and jam. That is for me, guys. Now if you put cream on, that's up to you, but that is fantastic. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.